Hi, welcome to my video on graph a line given a point and a slope. Graph a line given a point and a slope. Steps: plot the point, do the slope from the point, slope is rise over run, and do twice for 3 points. Okay, let's do some examples. Graph each line through the point with the slope. So we're going to graph the line that passes through -1, -4. X is -1, Y is -4. It has a slope of 3 over 2, so it's up 3, right 2. Up 3, right 2. Up 3, right 2. We draw the line going through the 3 points. 3 points is always more accurate in drawing a line, especially when you're doing a ruler. Is not too bad, but it keeps it lined up. And the point is -4, 3 with a slope of -1 over 4. -4, 3, right there. X is -4, Y is 3. And the slope is -1 over 4, so it's down 1, right 4, right there. Down 1, right 4, 3, 4. And we plot that line going through those 3 points. You can put an arrowhead on the end of each line just to make sure everything is going okay. Indicate that it's a line. Okay. And number to the point -3 with a slope of 2. The slope of 2 is understood to be 2 over 1. Because it's rise over run. So the -3 and -3 for X, -3 for Y, there's the point. And the slope is 2 over 1. So we rise 2, run 1, rise 2, run 1. And we have 3 points. Draw the line. Okay. And the fourth one is through the point 1, 3. With a slope of -3, understood to be -3 over 1. 1, 3, X is 1, Y is 3, right there. And down 3, slope is -3 over 1, so it's down 3, right 1. Down 3, right 1. Down 3, right 1. So that line is through these 3 points. And just to remind you, on any line between 2 points is always the same slope. So pick any 2 points and you'll always get the slope. Between any 2 points on that line, the slope will be the same. And we go with a 4, -1 with a slope of 0. A slope of 0 could be understood to be 0 over 1. It could be 0 over 2. It could be 0 over 3. Because a 0 slope has no rise but a run of 1, a run of 2, a run of 3, so it's a horizontal line. So 4, -1, 4, -1 is right there, and it's a 0 slope, it's a horizontal line, so we don't rise but we run. So we have a horizontal line through that point of 4, -1. And there's the horizontal line, parallel to the x-axis, which is this, and perpendicular to the y-axis right here. Notice it cuts the y-axis at -1. Sorry, this is the point of time, 4, -1, so it cuts it at -1, right? F2, -2 is the point with an undefined slope. Undefined slope means a vertical line. It's straight up and down, so X is 2, -2, X is 2, -2 is right here. So it's a vertical line which is parallel to the y or perpendicular to the x. And as I draw the line, the y coordinates are changing, but the x is not. So that's the vertical line through the point of 2, -2. And that line has x is 2, but the y is changing. And the origin is 0, 0. With a slope of 1, so that's 1 over 1. You could have 2 over 2. You could have 3 over 3, but we'll do 1 over 1. Up 1, right 1. So we take the origin 0, 0, we go up 1, right 1, up 1, right 1. So that's through the origin. Oh, the origin is right here. My mistake, I picked the origin is there. The origin is right here. So up 1, right 1 is there. Up 1, right 1 is there. So I picked the wrong point just then. So you got to be careful when I'm doing so many lines onto one graph. And that's just to save space and doing many sheets. So there's the line that passes to the origin with a slope of 1, up 1, right 1. Now we have another question. Graph each line and state the point of intersection. So the point of intersection in this case is going to be right on the corners of one of those blocks. If not, we're going to, if a line intersected, say, right there, we wouldn't know if that's a half, a third, or what it would be. Or if it hit here, is it 1/3? So a line will hit at the corners of these blocks somewhere. So let's plot the point 0, -2. So 0 is x and y is -2. And the slope is up 2, right 3, up 2, right 3, up 2, right 3. Draw that line. Here we go. And there it is. And we draw the next one. The point is, this line is passing through is 2, 4. X is 2, y is 4. Right there. Slope is -1/2. So that means you're going down 1, right 2. Down 1, right 2. Down 1, right 2. So that's the point of intersection of those two lines. So I'll draw the line. And go. So the point of intersection is the point x is 6, y is 2. And we have that example done. Now, when I turn over, I have this sheet that looks very, very similar. And it's the same, only this time you can set up your grid. You can pause the video, set up your grid, and plot each of these points to see if you're okay with them and know what you're doing. And you can also do another grid like this one and plot those two lines to see if you get the right point of intersections. So here we go. A line that passes through the point 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, y is 1, and it got a slope of 1/2, so it's up 1, right 2, up 1, right 2. So that's graphing the first line, or plotting the first line. Here comes the graph of it. So that's the first one done. Second one, going through the point of -2, 6. X is -2, y is 6. That's right there. And the slope is -2/3, so it's down 2, right 3. Down 2, right 3. Down 2, 1, 2, right 3, 1, 2, 3. So that's the line that's passing through the point -2, 6 with a slope of -2/3. And notice, while we're at it, here's the point. Notice that the first one I did is a positive slope, which means you go up to the right, so up and to the right. And this one is a negative slope, -2/3. Notice you're going up again to the left, because when I do the slope of a line, I look at it and say, up to the right is positive, up to the left is negative. No matter how I plot it, I check it after. Number 3, the point is -5, -4, -5, -4 is right here. X is -5, y is -4. They meet right there. And the slope is 4, understood to be 4/1. So I will go up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and right 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, right 1. So that's the line that goes there. It is. And we put arrowheads. Notice the slope is positive y, +4. You're going up to the right. Everything is okay. And we have a point of 1, -1 with a slope of -1, -1 understood to be over 1. So the point is 1, -1, so x is 1, y is -1 right there. And we're going down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1. So that's the line that passes through 1, -1 with a slope of -1. And there it is. Again, check. This slope goes up to the left, and you go up, and to the left is a negative. If you go up to the right, you get a positive. And we have the point -3, 0, and an undefined slope. So -3 is on the x, 0 is the y, there's the point. And an undefined slope means you have a vertical line through that point. So vertical line is straight up and down. There it is. And we have the point 4, -2. 4, -2 is right here. X is 4, y is -2. And we have a 0 slope. 0 slope is 0 over 1, so you do not rise, but you run. So it's a horizontal line through that point. 0 slope is a horizontal line. There's a horizontal line parallel to the x-axis, perpendicular to the y. There's the horizontal line. And final question. Graph each line and state the point of intersection. So -5, -2. Going through -5, -2 with this slope of 3/4. -5 is there. Y is -2 is here. So we will rise 3, 1, 2, 3, and run 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rise 3 and run 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll draw that line. And again, for these to be good for us, they need to hit at the corner of one of those boxes. And the other line, it goes through -4, -6. X is -4, y is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We could say x is -4, y is 6 there and pick up the corner. Perfect. And the slope is -5 over 3, so we go down 5, right 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right 3. 1, 2, 3. There's the point. Down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right 3. 1, 2, 3. So draw the line to those 3 points. And we can see that where the point of intersection is. And point of intersection is right there. So that's x is -1 and y is 1. X is -1 and y is 1. And so that's how you graph a line when you're given a slope and a point. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my video, click the like button and click the subscribe button and click the notification bell if you are a subscriber. Write a video or a comment if you wish. And visit my math website, www.mathfullyexplained.com, and you'll see the section on me, my degrees and teaching experience. Section of video talks about the ideas or strategies you can use to help you learn your math. And the content section has the topics, the number of videos on each topic. The black font is what's online right now, and the red font is what will be there in the near future. Thank you for viewing my video. Bye-bye.